Good morning, my dear students. Let's learn today third chapter, subtraction. Let us see how we do subtraction. The number we subtracting from is called minuend, and the number we are subtracting is called subtrahend, and the final result we call as a difference. Friends, the first we call as a minuend, and second step we call as a subtrahend, and the result we get from these two numbers we call as a difference. And notification for subtraction is like this. How subtraction is denoted with bar. Next, let us learn about properties of subtraction. 0 subtracted from any number gives the same number as the difference. When we subtract any number with the 0, we get what here? Same number. Means what we subtracted from 0, that number only we get. Next property, any number subtracted from itself. Any number subtracted from itself will give 0 as the difference. Any number subtracted from itself means if 21 is subtracted by again with 21, we get what here? 0. If 1 is subtracted from again with the 1, we get what here? 0. Subtracting with the same number, we get what here? 0. Minus and when minus and subtrahend will be the same, the difference is what? 0. Okay, this is about second property. Next, one subtracted from any number. 1 is subtracted from any number gives a previous number as a difference. When 50 is subtracted with the 1, the number will be a previous number. The number will previous number. And 49 is also called predecessor. Predecessor means previous of the given number is called predecessor. Now let us start exercise. See, the given problem is, how to read this? This given problem, 87,564 minus, which sign it is? Minus 32,121. Now let us find the difference of this minus and subtrahend. First we have to start with right to left. The first step we have to subtract the number from right to left. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 6 minus 2, it is 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus 3, 5. Therefore, the difference of these two numbers is what? 55,443. Go with always one place to the last place. Means right to left we have to subtract. Let us start with the exercise problem. The first question it is 97,654 minus 39,253. The 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. So the difference of these two numbers is 66,401. Next problem, 79,876. 876 minus 43,510. What is the difference? 6 minus 0, 6. 7 minus 1, 6. 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 3, 6. 7 minus 4, 3. Next, problem. They have given 84,208 and 39,204 minus 39,204. 8 minus 4, 4. 0 minus 0, 0 only. When same number is subtracted, we get what result? 0. Again here same number subtracting. So we get what here? 0. 4 minus 1, 3. 8 minus 3, 5. The difference is 53,004. 53,004. Next, what the question is? 74,518 minus 50,214. The answer is 8 minus 4, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 0, 4. 7 minus 2, 2. 24,304 is the answer. Next question, 63,759 minus 32,146. 9 minus 6 it is 3. 5 minus 4, 1. 7 minus 1, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 3, 3. This is the difference between these two numbers. Next, which I left, take it as homework. Students, find out which is minuend and subtrahend. And the first it is called minuend, and 12,340 is what here? Subtrahend. Then the result of this minuend and subtrahend is difference. See how to identify before minus sign. It is called minuend, and after minus sign we have to take it as subtrahend. And the result from minuend and subtrahend is difference. So let us find the difference of these two numbers. First start with what here? Which place? Ones place. This ones place and this ones place. 3 is here in ones place, and in this number 0 is in ones place. 3 minus 0 it is 3. 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 2, 4. 9 minus 1, 8. What is the answer? It is 84,111. 113 is the difference of these two numbers. Okay, same. This is minuend, and next this is subtrahend. How to find out difference? Minuend minus subtrahend is called what here? Difference. Start with ones place, that is 3 in this number, and 0 is ones place in this number. 3 minus 0 is 3. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Next, 9 minus 9, 0. In this, see, here we have 5 digits. Here we have 4 digits. So 9 minus 0. Next, 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 9 it is 0. How to write this problem? 9, 9, 0, 0, 3. In ones place here 0, and tens place 0. In third place 0. 100 place we have 0. In fourth place we have what? 9. So how to find out the difference? 3 minus 0, 3. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. And if there is no number means we have to think it is a 0. 9 minus 0 is again 9. Understood? This is about second solution. And go with third one. 76,345 minus 39,043. What is the difference of this number? 5 minus 3, 2. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. 6 minus 1, 5. 7 minus 3, 4. The answer is 45,302 is the solution of this problem. Understood? And this 3 take as a homework. Next, find the difference. Greatest 5 digit number. Greatest 5 digit number is 99,999 minus smallest 5 digit number, that is 10,000. Now we have to find out the difference. When we get difference, when minuend minus subtrahend, we get what here? Difference. First start with the ones place. 9 minus 0, that is 9. 9 minus 0, it is 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, it is 8. The difference of this greatest 5 digit number and smallest 5 digit number is 89,999. Next, smallest 5 digit number. Smallest 5 digit number is 10,000. 10,000 minus smallest 4 digit number is 1,000. Now we have to find out the difference of 10,000 minus 1,000. How to write this? 10,000 minus 1,000. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1, we can see here 0 is the lower number and 1 is the greater number. So we can't subtract from this. 0 minus 1 we can't subtract. So we have to take a borrow from previous number. We have to take previous number and the 0 becomes what here? 10. 10 minus 1, 9. And this 1 reduces to the 0. Why? Because we took borrow from this, so this 1 reduces to what here? 0. 0 minus 0, 0. The answer is what here? 9,000. And third one, take it as a homework. Now children, let us see how we do subtraction with borrowing. Why we borrow? We borrow when the upper digit, here upper digit is smaller than the lower digit, then only we are going to do borrowing. Subtraction with borrowing. See, the question is 87,352 and next 31,869 minus. When we have to borrow, the condition when upper digit is lower than below digit. So then we have to go for borrowing method. See here, in 2 we can't subtract the 9. 9 is not subtracted from the 2. So we have to borrow 1 from this previous number. Previous number is 5. Then this 2 becomes what here? 12. 2 becomes what here? We have to borrow 1 from previous number. Then 2 becomes what here? 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. And next, this 5 is reduced to what here? 4. Why? Because we did a borrow. We taken a borrow. Since we borrowed from here, we reduced this 5 into 4. Next, this 5 become what here? 4. 4 is not subtracted from 6. 4 we can't subtract from 6. 4 is not subtracted from 6. 6 is not subtracted from 4. Therefore, we have to borrow again 1 from previous number. That 4 becomes what here? 14. 14 minus 6 will be 8. And this 3 becomes what here? 2. 3 reduced to what here? 2. We can subtract 2 from it? No. So, and borrowing 1 from previous number, that is 7. Previous number. Then 2 becomes what here? 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 12 minus 8, 4. Next, this 7 becomes 6 because we reduced here. We borrowed here, so it reduced to what here? 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 8 minus 3, 5. This is about subtraction with borrowing. I hope you understood borrowing concept. Let's solve this type of problem with second exercise. See, observe the minuend and subtrahend. We can subtract here, find the difference that was 8 minus 8, 0. Okay, 8 minus 1, we can subtract here? No. Why? Because the upper digit is lower. Upper digit is lower than lowest digit. Below digit is highest. So we have to borrow from previous number. Then 8 becomes what here? 18. 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. And this 9 reduced to what here? 8. Why? Because since we borrowed, so it reduced to 8. 8 minus 6, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. This is answer for this given problem. The answer is 72,290. See, next the problem is 65,728 minus 13,169. We can subtract 8 minus 9? No. So we have to take borrow from previous number. That is 8 becomes what here? 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. And 2 reduced to what here? 1. 1 minus 1, 6 is 1 is subtracted from 6. We can't see 1 is upper digit what here? 1. So we have to take 1 from previous number. 11 minus 6 is 5. And 7 reduced to what here? 6. 7 reduced to 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 1, 5. This is the difference of these two numbers. And take it as homework, this problem. Here 8 minus 3. Next problem it is 8 minus 3 it is 5. 8 minus 3 it is 5. We can easily subtract. Why? Because upper digit is greater than the below digit. So we can subtract easily. Next, in 0 we can subtract 4? No, we can't subtract because upper digit is what here? Lower. So we can't do this. So we have to borrow 1 from previous number. So 0 becomes what here? 10. 10 minus 4, 6. We have to reduce this 7 as a 6. 6 minus 8. So again we have to borrow from 1 from previous number. The 6 becomes what here? 16. 16 minus 8, 8. Next, this 6 reduced to what here? 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. When we subtract 46,708 minus 31,843, the difference is 14,865. Next problem, 76,934 minus 41,656. See children, in one's place the upper digit is what here? Again low. So we have to take borrow from previous number. This 4 becomes what here? 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. And we have to reduce this 3 to the 2. Why? Because we borrowed from, so we have to reduce this previous number. That is 3 becomes what here? 2. 2 minus 5 we can subtract? No. So we have to borrow 1 from this number. So 2 becomes what here? 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Again this 9 becomes what here? 8. 9 reduced to what here? 8. 8 minus 6, 2. The bigger number minus bigger with the smaller number we can minus. So direct 8 minus 6 is 2. And 6 is a higher number, larger number than below number. So we can easily subtract. 6 minus 1 it is 5. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, what is the answer? That is 3. 35,278 is the answer. And this to take it as a homework. Now let us do what are the zeros in the minuend, and we may need to regroup more than once before you subtract. Study this example. Students, here what they are going to tell here, zeros, when there are zeros in minuend, means in first part, you may need to regroup more than once before you subtract. Means before going to subtract, we have to regroup. Means this 13,000, first the minuend, it is, what is it? 30,000. 30,000 is regrouped into what here? 20,000 and 9,990, 10. In this way you have to regroup. 30,000, this last part it becomes what here? 10, and reduced, this all numbers will be reduced. Means see 9, here 0 becomes what here? 9, 9, 9, and here 2. This is regrouping. Or else easy method, 30,000, 17,534 means here in 0 we can't subtract the 4. We can't subtract the 4, so we have to borrow. We have to borrow. Here 10 minus 4, what it becomes? We have borrowed 1, so 10 minus 4 it is 6. And observe this again, 0 reduced to what here? 9. 9 minus 3 it is 6. Children, 0 is also what here? Lower number. Then also we borrowed. We made what here? 9. And it 9. Again this 0 becomes what here? 9. Because we borrowed from here when it is a lower number. So this 0 becomes what here? 9. 9 minus 5, 4. And this again with the lowest number we borrowed. So again it become what here? 9. 9 minus 7 it is 6. 9 minus 7, 6. Sorry, 9 minus 7, 2. And we have to reduce this 3 to 2. 2 minus 1, 1. The answer is 12,466. In the same way, shall we go with exercise problem? Find the difference 30,040 and 17,326. 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6 can be written as what here? Minus, we can't subtract, so it reduced to what here? 9. Here 9, so 9 minus 6 it is 3. And this 4 reduced to what here? 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Now it not becomes 9. Why? Because we correct, this is when we borrowed it was highest number, so we can't make it as a 9. So now you borrow this here 1, make it as 10. 10 minus 3 it is 7. Now this 9 reduced to what here? 0 reduced to 9. 9 minus 2, 2. Again we have to give what here? Reduce this 3 has 2. 2 minus 1, because when we borrowed from the lowest number, the previous number goes on reducing. Next year 18,030 and 23,415. Here the difference is in 0 we can't subtract the minus, so we have borrowed here what? 1. So we borrowed 1 here. 10 minus 5 is 5. Again this 3 is reduced, so 2. Why? Because we borrowed from 1 from 3, so it is reduced to what here? 2. 2 minus 1, 1. And this 0 becomes what here? Again 1. We have to borrow from here 1, and 10 minus 4 it is 6. 10 minus 4, 6. Next 10 minus, next this 0 becomes what here? 9. The 0 is reduced to 9. 9 minus 3, 6. And again this 9 minus 3, 6, it is okay. But we borrowed this 1 from which number? Lowest number. So we have to return back. So 8 becomes what here? 7. 7 minus 2, 5. Understood? And next go with the 7 minus 6. That is 1. And here it is easy to write here. Upper digit is highest, then low to the lowest number. Next here in 0 we can't subtract 6, so we have to borrow 1 here. Borrow 1. See, when you borrow, this is what here? Again here lowest. So 10 minus 6 what here? 4. This 0 reduced to what? 9. 9 minus 5 it is 4. And this will become again 9. Why? Because we borrowed this one from lowest. So this again we have to return back. It becomes what here? 9. 9 minus 4 it is 5. 9 minus 4 it becomes 5. And again this 9 becomes what here? 8, because we borrowed with the lowest number. So we have to return back. 8 minus 3, 5. The final answer is 55,441. This problem, 60,000 minus 23,456. See, in 0 we can't minus 6, so we have to borrow from previous number, that it becomes what here? 10. 10 minus 6, 4. And here 0 becomes what here? 9. See, we are borrowing from the lowest number only, so we are reducing the number. 9 minus 5 is 4. This becomes 9 because we borrowed this 1 from where? Which number? Lowest number. So again this 0 becomes what here? 9. Reduced to 9. 9 minus 4, 5. Next this 5. Next this again 0 becomes what here? 9. 9 minus 3, 6. And this 6 becomes 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 36,544 is the answer. And take it as this too as a homework. And this mean take it as a homework. Next solve the following problem from the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers using the digits, that is 3, 9, 8, 5, 0. We have to make from this digit highest and smallest, greatest and smallest number. Which are the digits here? 3, 9, 8, 5, 0. Students, when we write this digits in decreasing and increasing order, we get a bigger number and smaller number, or greatest number or smallest number. See, I am writing this digit in descending order, means bigger to smaller. In decreasing order I am going to write, that is 9 first it will come, second it will come 8, third it will come 5, fourth place 3, fifth place 0. Next, smallest number. From this, which is the smallest number? Write in reverse order. 0, 3, 5. See, it becomes 5-digit number when I write here 0 as the first place. No, we get here 4 digit number. So don't write 0 in first place because it reduced by the place. So I am going to write here 3589. It will become the lowest smallest number with the help of this 5 digit number. The question is what now? 98530 30589. When I write 0 here in first place, it converted to what here? 4 digit. But they told form the greatest and smallest 5 digits. So 0 is written in the middle. Here we have to now find the difference. Difference means minus. In 0, 9 will not go because it is a lower. So we have to borrow from previous number, that 0 will become 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Again this 3 is reduced to what here? 2. 2 minus 8. No, we can't subtract. So we have to borrow again from here. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. What is answer? That is 4. That is 4. Again we have to 5. We have to reduce it as a 4. 4, and in 4 we can't do subtract 5. So we have to borrow from here. 14 minus 5 it is 9. 14 minus 5 it is 9. Next we have to reduce this 8 as 7. 7 minus 0, 7. 9 minus 3, so 9 minus 3 it is 6. This is about first solution. And find the missing numbers. See, they are given minuend and subtrahend and difference also. Here blank space we have to fill. Here 6 minus 5. What is answer? 1. So to get 0, with what number we have to subtract? 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus, we don't know. We want to get here 8. Which number we have to subtract here? 0. 5 minus 2, 3. These two take as a homework. Next, same. Find the difference using above method. See students, next subtraction made easy. Here 70,070, the highest number should be written as a minuend, and 24,654. Here the steps they have done, this 17,000 written as what here? This reduced to 6 and 0 reduced to 9, 9, 9. This last digit which are in ones place reduced to what here? Given borrowed means it made as a 10. Ones place made as a 0, made as a 10, and the previous numbers made as 0, 9, 9, 9, and this first last number made as reduced with one number, preceding number, that is 7 is preceded with 6. Next step, what they made here? What we got here? 6, 9, 9, 9, 10. 10 is it? And to the last number, what is subtracted? 1 should be subtracted. And to subtract, and we have to subtract the last number, that is minus 1. 10 minus 1, 4 minus 1. What we get? 609. That the 69,009. Why? Because the last number is subtracted with 1 and last place number is subtracted with 1. That is 24653. 24653. Now what is the question? 69,999, 24,653. See, the question is reduced to what here? 69,993. See, 24,653. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. This will be your answer. Means what they are going to tell you here, 70. See, the first steps we have to make this 7 as 6, 0 as 9, this 0 as 9, and this 0 is 9, and last digit we have to make this 10. Okay, next the question that is 2, 6, 9, 9, 9, 10. The last number is subtracted with what here? 9. 3, 4, 7, 1, and this last number is subtracted with what here? 2 minus 1. So this last number I am, observe this last numbers, I made this as a 10 and 2. 10 minus 1, 2 minus 1. Next step we have to subtract with 1. What it gets? 9, 6, 9, 9. 10 minus 9, 9. 3, 4, 7, 1, 1. What is answer now? 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 7, that is 2. 9. Next 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 3, 3. This is the answer. Try these sums. And see next problem, 80,000 and minus 34,607. This 8 is made as 7, this 0, 9, 9, 9, and this last digit made as 10. Next 10 minus 1. Here 7 minus 1. We can write this question as 79,999. Next 8, 3, 4, 6, 0. 7 minus 1, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 7 minus 3, 2. Next we study about story problems. Story problems is nothing but word problem. To make easy word problem, we have some keywords. First, follow up the steps, that is, read the question clear. If in the question we have, if you see this kind of words, these keywords are related to subtraction. Keyword for subtraction, change. When they use change in the question, we have to put the sign subtraction. Did not, decrease, favor, difference, less than, take away, remain, have left, how much more, how many more. These are the keywords to make easy word problems. We find all this word in the sum, it indicates the sum is for the subtraction. Okay, let's start the exercise. First question, solve these story problems. Tina families traveled 38,000 by train and 40,000 250 meters by bus. How many more meters did they travel by the train than by the bus? The question, they are comparing with what here? Train and bus. Tina's family traveling by train and bus. How many more means how many more they travel more than by a train. So which sign it is now? Minus. 38,000 minus 40,250. By train they traveled how many meters? 38,000 meter and 14,250 meter by bus. How many more means more than 23,750 more they traveled by the train. See, 0 minus 0, 0. In 0 we can't minus the 5, so we have to borrow from here, that is 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Again we borrow here 9. This 0 reduced to what here? 9. 9 minus 2, 7. We borrowed this number from the lowest number, so 8 becomes what here? 7. 7 minus 4, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Therefore 23,750 they travelled more from by the train than to bus. This is our solution for first question. Next question. Anita has 9,800 rupees but she want to buy a scooter for 27,350. How much more money does she need? Students, here with total money with Anita is 9,800 but she want to buy a scooter with what rupees? 27,350. See here, greater number is in this, the price of scooter is more than to total money with her. So 27,350 will be a minuend and 9,800 will be a subtrahend. How much more money does she need? Means here what to do here? We have to subtract these two numbers. How much she needed to buy this scooter? Anita has to buy a scooter. How much? Anita has total money 9,800. To buy how much rupees? 27,350. When we do minus, how much more she needed? We want 27,350 minus 9,800. 0 minus 0. 5 minus 0, 5. In 3, 8 will be not subtracted, so we have to borrow it. 13 minus 8, we get what? 5. And this 7 is reduced 6. In 6 minus 9, we can't subtract. So again we have to take borrow. That 16 minus 9 is 7. And we have to reduce this 2 as a 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. How much money she needed now? More 17,550. More rupees she needed. Next question. Amrita has 62,875 in her bank account. She wants to buy a furniture for 75,000. How much more money does she need? Here, what total money with Amrita? 60,875. But the furniture cost more than her total money. So how much more money she needed to buy a furniture? Means we have to minus. But here minuend becomes what here? 75,000 and subtrahend becomes 62,875. To buy a furniture 75,000, but total money she had 62,800. How much she needed to buy more money to get furniture? We have to do what here? Minus. In 0 we can't minus the 5. Here 10 minus 5 is 5. And this 0 will reduce to what here? 9. 9 minus 7, 2. And again this 0 is reduced to what here? 9. 9 minus 8, 1. Next we 9 minus 8, 1. This 5 reduced to 4. 4 minus 2, 2. And next 7 minus 6 is 1. The total money is 12,125. Need more money she needed? 12,124 to buy a furniture. When we add this to both, she can get a furniture. Okay. Next question. Fast Cars International means it's nothing but a company name. Spent 34,850 for setting up a website and 94,650 for setting up an office. For setting up an office means to build an office they expanded 94. Spent how much? 94,650. To set up website means internet connection, they spend 34,890. So how much more amount did the company spend for setting this office? Means which is more? How much more? Means setting up office they spend 94,650 and setting up a website 34,890. When we do subtract here, we get what? 59,760. They spended more than setting up a office. Next, in an orchard there are 34,078 coconut trees and 43,125 mango trees. How many less coconut trees than mango trees are there in the orchard? Means how much in orchard? The coconut trees are 34,078 and the mango trees are 43,125. How many trees are more? Mango trees are more, they asking. Now we have to subtract 43,000 minus 125 minus 34,078. We get what here? 9,407 are less. Coconut trees are less. Coconut trees are less in orchard. Understood? These are the word problems from 3.3 exercise. And this too has homework for you. Next, subtraction with framing a word problem. Students, they will give now numbers. From these numbers we have to make now word problems. Here the first, do frame a simple subtraction word problem for the following and solve. The first problem they have given 27,000 minus 15,000. So from this we have to make a word problem. I have written that Rima kept 27,000 in a bank account and she withdrew 15,000. Okay, total amount she kept 27,000 and she withdrew means she take from that 15,000. How much money is left in account? In her account. The question is like this. The whole framing of word is like this. In account how much it was? In account 27,000 and withdraw how much? 15,000. Which sign now it is? How much money? How much means what here? Minus sign. Rupees 27,000, rupees 15,000. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 5, 2, 2 minus 1, 12,000 rupees left in her account. Next given problem 14,800 minus 3,700. From this we have to frame the word problem. I have made like this. Suma bought a television for 14,800 and tape recorder for the 3,700. How much did she pay for the television? They asking. She bought television and tape recorder. Means how much more money given to the television? We have to find out now. How much means what here? Minus. Means television. For television how much she paid? For television Suma paid for television rupees 14,800. Okay, and for tape recorder that is rupees 3,700. We sign now minus. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 8 minus 7 that is 1, 4 minus 3 1 and 1. 11,100 paid more for television. 11,100 rupees paid more for television than tape recorder. Okay, these are the solution for first and second, and these two take as a homework. Next concept it is combination of addition and subtraction. Means in one sum they use both sign, both operator, that is plus operator and subtraction operator. When they give both operators in one sum, we have to follow. See, whenever addition and subtraction operation come together in a problem, do the operation that is given first from left to right. Means we have to follow which is the first. We have to follow the from left to right. Means left to right means this side, moving to this side, left to right. Which operator is first now? Here plus, and next operator is minus. Here which operator is first? Here minus, and next operator is plus. First we have to add here, and from the result we have to minus. Here we have to minus, here from the result we have to add. This is the method to solve combination of addition and subtraction. Means first from the left to right. Which operator is given first from left, and we have to forward to the right. Okay, in first sum 3,000 plus 2,000 minus 100 means which from first step we have to follow left to right. Left to right means 3,000. First operation what they have given? Addition. 3,000 plus 2,000. What is answer? 5,000. In 5,000 we have to subtract what here? 1,000. The result answer. The sum. From the sum we have to find out now minus 1,000. 0, 0, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. The answer is, total answer is 4,000. Understood? We have to follow from left to right. And the next question is 4,500 plus 3,500 minus 5,500. Now we have to go from left to right. Left to right means which operation is first here? Plus. 4,500 plus 3,500 is 8,000. 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0, carry over 1. And 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8,000. Next, what is the result of these two? 8,000. From the result, from the sum, we have to minus this given number. 8,000 minus 5,500. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. In 0 we can't minus 5, so we have to borrow, that it becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And we have to reduce this 8 to the 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. The last final answer of this given problem is 2,500. And go with next question. 7,214 minus 2,174 plus 6,890. Means first which operator we have to go? We have to go from left to right. That is the first operator is minus. We have to minus these two numbers. The minus 7,214 minus 2,174. 4 minus 4 0. In 1 we can't minus 7, so we have to take borrow, that is 11. It becomes 11. 11 minus 4 it is 11 minus 7 it is 4. Again we have to reduce this 2 has a 1. 1 minus 1 it is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. Next, the result of these two numbers is what? 5,040. 5,040 plus 6,890. Plus 6,890. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 9, 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 5 plus 6, 11. The total answer of this given problem is 11,930. Next question. Go with F. 20,000 plus 10,000. 20,000 plus 10,000 minus 30,000. Means we have to go from left to right. We have to first operator they have given plus. So we have to add first these two numbers, and the result with the minus we have to do. Minus 30,000. 20,000 plus 10,000, it is 30,000. And 30,000 minus again 30,000, we get what here? 0. The solution of this given problem is 0. And go with this problem. 52,143 plus 23,414 minus 38,470. So we have to go first from left to right. We have to add these two numbers. 52,143 plus 23,414. The answer is 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 1 5, 1 plus 4 5, 2 3 plus 5, 5 2 7, 5 plus 2 7. So the answer is 75,575 when we add these two numbers. From this result, what we have to do? Minus 38,470. 7 minus 0, 7. In 5 we can't minus 7, so we have to borrow 1. It becomes what here? 15. 15 minus 7, it is 8. 15 minus 7, it is 8, and we have to reduce this 5 as a 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Next, this we have to reduce this 4. 5 as a 4. This 14 minus 8. 5. In 5 we can't reduce 8. We can't minus 8, so we have to take borrow. That is 15 minus 8, it is 7. 15 minus 8, it is 7. And this 7 is reduced to what here? 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. Next, go with last problem. 63,248 minus 224,680 plus 10,000. 63 minus 24,680 is nothing but what is answer? 38,568. When we add this with the 10,000, we get what here? 86584, 48,568. This is about combination of addition and subtraction sign. First we have to go with the left to right, and from left to right, which is the operation first, we have to do that problem. And next it is greatest 5-digit number plus smallest 4-digit number minus the greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number means 99,999. It will be your greatest 5-digit number, and smallest 4-digit number is 1000, and the greatest 4-digit number is 9,900. Plus minus 99,999 is plus 1000. What we get answer? 1,999. 1,999 is minus with the 9,900. We get what here? 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. In 0 we can't minus 9, so we have to reduce, take 1 from, we have to borrow 1 from previous number, that is 10 minus 9, 1, and this 0 becomes what here? Reduce to 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. Again this 1 becomes what here? 0. The last answer is 91,000. This is about subtraction chapter. Go through it all the concept. If any doubt, ask me. Thank you. This is a students, this is a completion of the 3rd chapter. Go through with all the concept. If any doubt, please ask me. Thank you.